आलेक्स म्हणटा की सगळ्या गोंयकारांच्या डीएनएन खंय फ्रांसीस झेवियराची डीएनए आसा म्हणटा.
See, this is the whole problem. कितें म्हणलें आलेश सिकेर इज अ जीनियस बाय द वे.
सगळ्या गोंयकारांच्या म्हणजे सगळ्या धर्माच्या गोंयकारां मदीं सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराचो डीएनए आसा. सो तो आनी हेतून तेल ओतता कशें दिसना.
Definitely. So I don't know whether he made a statement,
Yeah, he made on camera.
but if he's made a statement like this, then it shows that Alesh Sikera's brain is now completely in a state of terminal degeneration. It started with him jumping from the Congress to the BJP. But if he's made a statement like this, that's another example of a brain being in complete degeneration. Because the point here is not the argument is not about Subhash Velinkar's right to discuss about Francis Xavier, whether he's a saint, not a saint, whether he did the right things in Goa 400 years back or the wrong things. That is an academic discussion which any of us is allowed to have. But the way he said that to spite the Christian community. That is the point. Anybody can have a discussion on any issue, on any god and any saint. Of course, it's a free society, you can have that. But you cannot say it with the motive of hurting the sentiments of the Christian community, particularly in light of the fact that the exposition is to be happening in December. But Alesh Sikera, hats off to him for coming up with such a brilliant scientific theory.
So, but till date, CM has not made any statement. But before that, with some problem was happened with the communal this thing. CM had ordered other this thing who had made a statement to arrest them, and they are not allowed to. But why till date CM is not giving any
So
press?
that is exactly the question you need to put and pose to the chief minister. No, the chief minister, the only answer he gives you all is a smile, and you all are so happy with it. He never gives you any answer of substance, and you are very happy with it.
If anything happens in the state of Goa, Chief Minister will be held responsible.
He will be held responsible.
He will be held responsible.
But if there is a communal, even if for 3 days there is a communal conflagration in Goa, I can bet that this entire government will be thrilled to bits that has happened, because it takes the focus away from the agitation that Shankar, Sabina, GBA, Claude, Rama, Swapnesh and everyone has been charging the people of Goa with, has been sort of encouraging the people of Goa to come out on the streets with. They will be very happy if there's a communal conflagration.
Afterward, when you people are requesting the people, so do you think that Bishop also request for this?
Again, we are not spokespersons for anybody, neither for Subhash Velinkar, nor the government, nor CM, nor Alesh, definitely not Alesh Sikera, and definitely not for the bishop. But we wish that the Archbishop, I mean the temporal head of the institution, also makes an appeal like this. Obviously, everyone's sentiments are hurt. One gets that. But get off the streets. That is the message that we want to give. That's all.
Yeah, and we have to keep in mind, if there is any communal unrest,
Subhash Velinkar, that is a completely rotten statement. He should never have made it. I have held him in high regard. I consider him a friend. I consider him an intellectual, environmentalist. He has supported me in environment campaigns. But to see the statement today, I have tears in my eyes. I do not know how Professor Velinkar could have made a statement like this. And I firmly request him and beg with him, please issue a statement withdrawing whatever you have said about our Saint Francis Xavier. Withdraw it. Say whatever you want. Say you are not misunderstood, you are not understood properly, you are whatever. But at least withdraw it now, because this is the time to do it. Otherwise, if there is a conflagration, if there is a conflict in the society which is threatening to happen, then Professor Subhash Velinkar will go down in history as the person who ignited this conflagration. So it is important that he recognizes this and he withdraws this, so that he can get our esteem once again. Right now, we are really hurt. We are really hurt that he made a statement like this. I am a Christian and I also hold Francis Xavier in estimation. But I also go to temples and I celebrate Ganesh. And all these festivals are festivals of mine. I go to visit my Muslim friends every time. There is no issue. This thing is going to divide and it's going to rupture our Goan society, which is a cohesive society for so many years. And we have not allowed this type of thing to happen. So my only personal request to Professor Velinkar, that he will at this stage diffuse the situation withdraw his statement, give an apology to the Christian community for whatever he has said and how distressed they are with this statement. And I would also ask the Christian community and all the people who have come on the roads, please go home. Please go home. The street is not the place to settle this type of business. Please go home. Please stay at home. Please do not invite trouble. Please support the police. Do not harass the police. The police are already overburdened. If this situation breaks down, even the police will not be able to help anybody. So I would request personally everybody, please go home wherever you are right now. If you are listening to me, if you respect my words, you will please say, okay, दोतरान उलयला, हांव म्हाजो फोन पॉकेटीन घालता आनी हांव घरा वयता म्हणून. Please do that. You will be a Goan hero. You will be a hero to me. You will be a hero to everybody in the state of Goa.
सामके दुखल्या पळय ते फक्त क्रिस्तांव भाव न्ही पूण सगळे जे दुखल्या पळय ते सुभाष वेलिंगकरान जे म्हणलां पळय ते ज्या पद्दतीन ताणें म्हणलां पळय ते ताजे विशय कितें आसूं ज्या पद्दतीन ताणें म्हणलें पळय ते दॅट वॉज अ मीन vile and a rotten statement that Subhash Velinkar did, and clearly the people of Goa are upset and absolutely furious about this. माझी फक्त एक विनंती आसा की हे रस्त्यार देऊन पर्टिक्युलरली साऊथ गोवा रस्ते बंद करून आणि पुलिसीक पिकेट करून आणि कितें बोर्ड घालून आणि ही एजिटेशन करून तुम्ही आय गॅरंटी यू जे हे सरकारी दलाल जे आसात पळय ते हू आर इन्वॉल्वड इन लँड कन्वर्शन्स अँड लँड अँड आमचे सगळे गोंय काबार करपाक बसल्या पळय ते आय कॅन गॅरंटी यू ते ही एजिटेशन आतां सद्याक साऊथ गोवान चलता पळय थंय इन्फिल्ट्रेट करतले आपले मनीस धाडटले थंय आणि त्या मनशाक फक्त सांगतले तुम्ही 2-3 फातर काड आनी देवळार मार नाल्यार आनी खंयचेर गुमटीर मार म्हणून अँड द होल थिंग विल इरप्ट इन टू अ हिंदू कॅथलिक conflagration here which neither the police nor the state of Goa will be able to control. जे दलाल जे आसात पळय त्या सरकारान तांकां हेच जाय कित्याक हें जालें की समज जालें की दुसऱ्या दिसा सगळ्यो फायली ज्यो आसात पळय ती लँड कन्वर्शन चलतात पळय त्यो सगळ्यो पास जातल्यो सगळे प्रोजेक्ट्स आसात पळय ते वतले आनी जे काम कश्ट काडून घाम काडून शंकर पोळगी आनी रामा आनी स्वप्नेश दीस आनी रात ऑफकोर्स क्लॉड आनी जीबी एन सगळे एक्टिविस्ट दीस आनी रात काम करता पळय ते सगळे तांचें काम उदकान वतलें पळय ती पूण शेवटी गोंयकार हारतलो कित्याक 100% आमी आमचे मदीं झगडटले हें आनी देवा खबर कितले 2-3 म्हयने चलतले हें आनी जितल्यो जमीन कन्वर्ट करपाची आसा पळय त्यो जमीन कन्वर्ट करतले आनी करतले ते सत्य खरें म्हणटा पळय ते फगड्यो मारतात पळय त्यो पूण माझी हीच विनंती आसा तुमचे कडेन सगळ्या कडेन की घरा वचपाचें डू नॉट गिव द पॉलिटिशियन्स द एक्सक्यूज टू एक्सप्लॉयट दिस सिट्युएशन वॉट सुभाष वेलिंकर हॅज डन हॅज बीन हॉरेंडस he has to apologize, he has to diffuse the situation. It is in his hands to diffuse the situation and we make this earnest appeal to him to do that as quickly as possible because we believe that in many ways he and many members of the RSS and many members of the BJP also support Goa on issues of land, on issues of conversion. They are also pained by all these issues. And this is the issue that is going to get derailed by a stupid, absolutely stupid statement like this. Professor Subhash Velinkarak हांव फक्त हें सांगूंक सोदतां that when you say sorry, it is not a sign of weakness. When you say sorry, when you know that you have done something wrong, it is a sign of strength. So we want this situation diffused as quickly as possible. We want all our brethren, especially in South Goa, to get off the streets, clear the streets and go home. We will make our protests, we will register our protests, we will get the law to take its own course, but please do not derail the people's agitation against this horrible destruction of Goa's environment, ecology, identity and land. That is paramount. That is what we are. Thank you.
हांव लोकांक उलो मारता की ह्या वेळाक आमी सगळीं एकठांय रावपाची चड गरज आसा आनी एकामेकाक दुखोवन आमी गोंय सांबाळूंक शकना कित्याक आमचे मागीर डिविजन जातले आनी जी शक्ती आमची एकवटाची जी शक्तीचे जे आमी गोंय सांबाळपा खातीर जे काम करता ती उणें पडटली. सो आनी जेन्ना आमी एकामेकाक दुखवता तेन्ना हो जो आमचो समाज आसा तो दुखता आनी आमची जी भुरगीं आसा तांकां आमी कसले सोशल फॅब्रीक दिता. आमी आमचे फुडार चिंतपाक जाय आनी हो जे गोंय आमी सांबाळटा ते आमचे फुडले पिळगे खातीर आमी सांबाळटा. सो आमकां ही जी आमची युनिटी पळय आहा गोंयान पीस जे आसा ते आमी राखून दवरपाक जाय आनी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवपाक जाय. हे जे लँड कन्वर्जनचो खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणान जे लँड कन्वर्जन जाता फाल्यां आमी गोंयकारूच उरचे ना हांगा आमी परखी जातली. सो हें गोंय सांबाळपाचें जे आमी मोहीम सुरू केला ते मोहिमेक तुमी तेंको दिवचो आनी हे मोहिमेक आमी आतां फुडें व्हरपाक जाय हाची चड गरज आसा आनी सगळे आमचे भाव भयण्या एकठांय येवन ह्या मोहिमेक तेंको दितले हे हांव आशा दवरतां.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask one question.